yourself? When did you decide that you're no good? Now that I finally got what I wanted, looks like love has left me. Baby, I don't know when, baby, I don't know why, but I do know that it's too late now. We have to say goodbye. Baby, I don't know how, and I don't know what to use, but I do know that it's too late now. I think I'm just too rude for you. And I don't wanna lose you, but it's too late to let me in. I had just went another way. Now I want my life to begin. When did you decide to be honest? When did you decide to love me? Now that I finally got what I wanted, looks like love has left me. Touch me, baby, I don't know when, baby, I don't know why, but I do know that it's too late now. We have to say goodbye. Baby, I don't know how, and I don't know what to use, but I do know that it's too late now. I guess this was too good to be true. Oh, baby, I don't know when, baby, I don't know why, but I do know that it's too late now. We have to say goodbye. Baby, I don't know how, and I don't know what's the use, but I do know that it's too late now. I guess this was too good to be true. To root for you. Dank u wel, jou. Wat is dat een heerlijk trieskom, jongens. Wij zijn Mr. Wallace. Wij zijn mijn nieuwe album dwaande. Volgende nummer zit er echt op. Germinal. Lekker donsje en een soort water drinken, jongens. I like your style and enjoy your vibe, but tonight was the best night of my life. A perfect high that will stay in my mind and make my body move. I'll tell you no lie when I say I think I'm gonna let you in. And how I love those beautiful dreadlocks and the way you make the bass drop. Germinal. Don't mind if you just wanna be friends, I'll be glad to. Why would you ever ask me to dance? I think that I would. I guess I like the way you behave in my place. The fact that you started to move on the music that I play. You're so free and let me travel with it. Your energy is so fulfilling. Germinal. 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 share me now. Share me now. Share me now. Share me now. In time today. Serious? Are you aware of your behavior, lady? Oh, so sick of you now, but you are my friend. You are my friend. Whoa, whoa, I'm so sick of you now, but you are my friend. You are my friend. You're telling me I'm playing games. You must think that I'm fucking insane. What do I memories mean to you? Or have I been there all this time for you? I wanna tell you to your face, you're acting in disgrace. So you might shut up for a second, and finally you will see what it's been for me. Oh, hopefully, oh, oh. So sick of you now, but you are my friend. You are my friend. Whoa, whoa. I'm so sick of you now, but you are my friend. Why do you make me feel this way? Leaving me here with nothing to say. And with my hands in my hair, I'm starting to lose it. I was conscious all the time trying to explain. You need to learn, cause after all this I am done with you and your obsessive mess. Well, here I am, back to this song and oh, I miss you so. I miss my friend. Dank u wel. Rubber en Anton, wat wordt het? Okay, Uncle side behind red curtains. Track down your address, and I probably sometimes walk through the street where you live, and I'll find that you keep plans, so you lock yourself out for the day behind red curtains, but they are yellow now. And there's a soft light, and it reminds me of home. There's a soft light, and it reminds me of home. If I could find the words, I know what to say, but in my own way it would be too late. But hey, let's not think of that. Let me just romanticize you instead. 'Cause there's a soft light, and it reminds me of home. And there's a soft light, and it reminds me of home. Out, or you can go back, and I probably wish I could turn back the hands of time, but for now we are alright, and you always seem to hit me with your smile, and in your smile I see a soft light, and it reminds me of home. I see a soft light, and it reminds me of home, me of home. Will we ever find a way? Dit is de eerste keer dat we dit versje spelen. Hij komt op een snijplaat. Die komt na december ergens uit. Will we ever find a way? To you to be pointing your finger at me. It's not up to you to be making all the people aware. Not up to you to decide if we stand still or we ride, and we rise up to something good. Well, we never find a way to rise to the words that come out of your sweet little mouth. It just won't do. Tjoh! Vet beter. Vet beter. Nou. Doe jij hem nog? Natuurlijk. Of een hele oude? Nou, top, Jerk. Ja, let's do it. Oké dan. Dan wil ik je wel even een pitje zien. Ja, goed zo. Just no good, and now you're knocked up. Oh, yeah, you tried so hard, but you fell so hard instead. Even your mind don't know what's going on in your head. Yeah, you tried so hard, but you fell so hard instead. Even your mind don't know what's going on in your head. But up to no good, and now you're knocked up. Oh, yeah, you tried too hard, but you fell too hard instead. Even your mind don't know what's going on in your head. Yeah, you tried too hard, but you fell too hard instead. Even your mind don't know what's going on in your head. No more drinks with your girlfriends at night. No more dates, you can tell them goodbye. You can shop for all those fashionable clothes, 'cause you're knocked up and your body's gonna go. And no more drinks with your girlfriends